A financial review in Cave Springs has uncovered years of unpaid federal taxes, now totaling hundreds of thousands of dollars, and that, of course, comes with penalties.
Yeah, amid the audit into missed tax payments, the city's elected clerk and treasurer has filed a lawsuit against Cave Springs, saying the city unjustly made changes to her role.
5 News reporter Bo Russell breaking down now what auditors found and how city leaders are responding to all this. Bo?
Hey, good evening, guys. Yeah, city leaders are telling me accounting errors dating back years have left Cave Springs behind on its federal payroll taxes. Now city leaders are asking two questions. How and why did years of payments go unmet? At a special meeting Tuesday night, auditors told Cave Springs city leaders that errors in payroll tax reporting stretched back as far as 2018, leading to multiple quarters of unpaid federal taxes. Nearly $100,000 in unpaid taxes remains, on top of the more than $105,000 already paid. City council members voted to pay the remaining balance now, saying that decision helps stop additional penalties from piling up.
When you go back and look, it's over the past 7-8 years, repeatedly we had quarterly taxes that were due. Those taxes, for whatever reason, weren't tendered at the time.
Council members say the issue doesn't threaten the city's overall finances, but they acknowledge it points to broader problems with oversight and missed payments.
The amount that's past due is not an amount that's going to put the city in financial jeopardy necessarily, but it just, you're in jeopardy if you're not, if you're not current on your taxes to some extent, regardless, right?
Those lapses in payments weren't limited to taxes. Councilmember J.J. Thompson confirmed that at one point, police vehicles were briefly uninsured because an insurance bill wasn't paid on time.
So there was technically a day that we found out in hindsight that police cars had been out on the street that weren't insured. Nothing happened, obviously, but that is a liability.
While no incidents were reported during that lapse, Thompson says it raised serious concerns.
We want to be the type of city that pays our bills promptly and on time. We don't want these kinds of liabilities to pop up.
At the same time, the city's elected clerk and treasurer, Kimberly Hutchison, has filed a federal lawsuit against the city, the mayor, and multiple officials. In the complaint, Hutchison claims she was stripped of her duties through emergency ordinances without due process and before the audit determined who was responsible for the tax issues. City leaders say they cannot comment on ongoing litigation and are waiting for auditors to finish their work before taking any additional action.
What we're trying to do now is just be patient, wait for the auditors to do their job, get that information, and then we can make the decision based on better information once we have it.
City officials say the audit is still ongoing and they expect additional findings in the coming week. The lawsuit is now pending in federal court. I'm Bo Russell, 5 News.
Thank you, Bill. We'll continue following this story and bring you any developments as they come into our newsroom on our free 5 News app.